5 to 10 miles. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Butler County in southwestern Ohio, central Warren County in southwestern Ohio, until 7 p.m. At 6:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Middletown, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Middletown, Mason, Lebanon, Springboro, Monroe, Trenton, Franklin, Carlisle, South Middletown, Westchester, Morrow, Kings Island, Old Westchester, Four Bridges, Hunter, Wethington, South Lebanon, Mainville, State Route 123 at State Route 132 and Hughes. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 21 and 39. Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 19 and 38.